when do we leave موږ به کله ځو when do we leave we'll go a little later موږ به لږ وروسته ځو we'll go a little later where do you live ته چېرته اوسېږې I live in Paris زه په پیرس کې اوسېږم I live in Paris which is better کوم یو ښه دی which is better it's the best دا د ټولو ښه دی it's the best how are you today ته نن څنګه یې how are you today I am much better today زه نن ډېر ښه یم I am much better today how is business کاروبار څنګه دی how is business not very good ډېر ښه نه دی not very good what did you say تا څه وویل what did you say I didn't say anything ما هیڅ نه دی ویلي I didn't say anything is there a bank nearby آیا دلته نږدې یو بینک شته is there a bank nearby yes there is ها دلته شته yes there is what is the date today نن څه تاریخ دی what is the date today today is the 18th نن اتلسم تاریخ دی today is the 18th what is that دغه څه څیز دی what is that that's a temple دا مندر دی that's a temple دغه مندر دی do you have a car آیا ستا سره موټر شته do you have a car we have 2 cars زموږ سره 2 موټرې دي we have 2 cars when will they come هغوی به کله راځي when will they come they will come at night هغوی به د شپې راځي they will come at night